everyone, this is Camila from KOMATCO. Our company has a 16-year history in the field of construction machinery, and we've exported to more than 200 countries. Today we are going to visit LUTONG factory in Luoyang and check machines to be exported. Okay, let's go. Here arrived LUTONG factory. Today I'd like to introduce the roller LTS208H. It is a hot-selling model of this company. The machine weighs 8 tons. It is a vibrating single-drum roller. It is equipped with a robust engine, advanced hydraulics, and user-friendly control, which can deliver very comfortable operating environment in very challenging conditions. Now let's see closely. The most important working part of the roller is the drums, and its width is 1.7 meters. The vibration frequency is 43 Hz, and the centrifugal force is 70 kN, and it can be equipped with optional removable padfoot and intelligent compaction management system. Its engine adopts Cummins diesel engine, which has stable performance, constant maintenance, and large power reserve coefficients. It could compact the construction condition above 4,000 meters altitude. Friends, are you interested in this roller? If you want to know more information or get to know our company, please contact me. I'm Camila. Thank you and see you next time.